Would you like to see how you can easily change your Gantt chart into something like this, an Outlook-like presentation? Well, in this short video, we'll show you how to do this and some of the benefits in doing so. Now, as we mentioned before, Gantt chart schedules might not be everyone's cup of tea. However, a lot of our work colleagues may be conditioned to and accustomed with Microsoft Outlook. And there is actually a way in which you can convert the visuals of the tasks to something similar to that of an Outlook calendar. And you can do this by clicking on your task ribbon, and then where it says Gantt chart there, click on that and then click on calendar. Now you can see here it resembles a picture similar to a Microsoft Outlook calendar, and you've got the ability here to toggle or zoom in on a month or on a week by week basis. And you notice also too that tasks are shaded a certain color, but you can also see here that milestones are also differentiated here by a different color. So once again, this is another nice tool that you can show. It could be something that you might want to project. You can add to a PowerPoint presentation if you have to, or just when you're sitting down with your team leaders or team members and going through goals for a particular month, or you might even use this for the start of a week to show what's in store and what's been planned for the week ahead. So feel free to use this. It is a nice way to communicate activities for your project for those who are not comfortable with Gantt chart styles. We hope you found this video useful, and please subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. And please feel free to leave a comment as well. We'd love to hear from you.